I get one more wife.
No,
5 months later,
No.
I get another wife.
No. If you take one
I
wife,
can't take 5 years.
it take 15 years.
I have to take 15 years with the first wife.
After 15 years, it take one.
Okay, I'll take 15 months with the first wife.
No.
I can't wait that long.
No.
No, I can't wait that
You
long.
are my son. I know this.
I know.
I don't give you a chance for this.
I know, but I can't wait that long.
No. You are my son.
I cannot wait that long.
No, one.
I know one.
You are a small boy. Me, I want you try for yourself. You get money, okay?
Money.
If you get money, say, my father.
Okay.
My one father in Wassu take I said you 10 euro, 10 pound or 20 pound. My father did. Okay.
No, that's no problem.
I said you alhamdulillah. Okay.
Yeah, but that's no problem.
It's a problem. If you take five wives,
Yeah.
you not try your father, you not try me, you not try your mother. Now yourself you try, and you 5 wives. You are small that.
Say if you have 5 wives, you
Five
know
wives.
your mother, you know.
Me
I
no
know,
get
I know.
nothing.
I know.
If you take five wives, £1, I no give me. You no give your father, you no give your mother.
Listen to me.
You are going, yes. You are going
that
and wife.
is
5 wives.
Okay. That is okay.
5 wives. 5 years. You lost. You go. Leave wife. All. See.
No. 15 months. After 15 months, I take one wife.
No.
I have Baba.
15 years. If you take one wife.
I can't wait 15 years.
15 years. After 5 years, you take one.
One. After 5
Okay.
years, you take 2.
No, 2. 2 is good. 2. 1 or 2. Why one wife?
So 4 is good for you, and 1 is good for me.
No, me in you difference is not. You are a small boy. Today me I'm a big man. I get 73 years, 75 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, alhamdulillah, this my woman all is Ikebada.
Can help you.
Hey.
Huh?
Get old.
Yeah.
Okay. This mother now
So he said he told me last night he wants 6 wives.
no this.
Yeah.
This is not no. This no.
Oh, in front of your father you said 4.
No.
Last night
This.
he told me 6. Yes.
You not take 6 wives.
But he told me 6.
No, this no get, you know why?
Finance.
If you get wife, you take her.
I will not give money to my father.
You know give him money to if you take 4. If you get 2, 3, 4. Now I'm dying. But I'm not get this. You no try me. This you no get this. You no try me.
But you see this compound, this good compound. I can build this compound. I can build this compound in my money.
Yes,
He said he will give you 1 wife. He will give you place to build your house. You live with your 1 wife.
Okay,
But no,
okay.
no 5, 6, no 8.
What 6?
Okay, when I come up to Wassu,
Okay.
you give me 1 wife.
Yes.
I want a nice
I
one.
try you.
A nice one. And the land, I'll build a house.
Land after that I give you.
Okay.
I give you 20 by 20.
20 by 20 meters.
Yes.
Okay. How much?
No, if you come at I give you.
You give it to me.
Yeah.
And I build my house.
You build your house.
You're sure, Baba?
Yeah, good.
I'm coming back, you know.
Okay.
But I need my wife. Give me my wife when I come.
Go if you come.
Siko! Yes. You sure he's gonna give me a good wife?
He's going to give you a very good one. He knows all the good ladies here.
I want pretty, sexy, nice. I want when I'm sleeping, I'm like, I want when I wake up, I'm in heaven. When I sleep, I'm in heaven. I'm like, when she walk, I'm like, oh, I'm in heaven.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is good to you. What?
Yeah.
1 wife.
I'm gonna take one because I
One
want the
good
land.
wife.
I'm going to take one wife because I want the land.
Yes. If you take one wife here,
I'll
give you land.
all right then.
20 by 20.
I'll build my house. When I come back, I'm going to build a house.
Okay. No
How
problem.
much to build a house there?
Eh?
How much is it to build a house?
No, this I know understand what kind build house.
Delassie, how much?
If he story is one compound, one
four room.
house,
4 room.
4 room.
Yeah.
One 4 room.
Yeah.
4 bedroom.
No. 1 bedroom, living room, kitchen. Yeah, 4 room.
Oh, okay. I'll give you that.
How much to build 4 room?
No, I know my son. What if he come? Ada masuk kaca. Sebab dia. Nelson.
He said he cannot guess that, but
I'm try you,
maybe
Nelson.
he can lace you with the constructor.
Uh-huh.
I try you, Nelson.
The constructor.
Yes. You good compound.
Okay.
Engineer
compound.
that will, you know.
Okay.
Good compound. You.
Okay. Because I like your compound.
Okay. Huh?
I like your compound.
Okay, I'll come.
I record I like it.
Okay. It's good. Tabarakallah. I like you. I like you, mother. I like you, father.
Good.
I like you, whole family.
So when I come back,
We are
one. Yeah.
you know,
Black.
we are one.
See, I'm blacker than you. So I'll see you when I come back.
Okay. You konto apa itu? Atau
Bunum.
bunum,
Yeah.
bunum,
Mansa Bunum.
mansa bunum.
Yeah. So when I come,
Okay.
my wife,
Okay.
yeah. Mango, that's mango tree.
Yes, mango. It's my mango. All this
Yeah.
is my mango.
I'm leaving the mango tree. I'm not cutting. I just want to build a house on the land.
Okay. You know, see, I get small mango here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at it.
All this out.
Well, you see this. Yeah, this is my future land. I'm coming back here. I'm taking Baba's word. And Baba say he's going to give me this land. So he's going to give me this land. Hey, it's nice land.
Yeah, this is our land.
Hey, who made the bricks?
It's us for this one.
Yeah. So y'all can make bricks.
Yeah, we all can make.
Okay. Yeah, make bricks. I build it. I build it right
Thing,
between there where the goat is.
Yeah,
You build it right there.
yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
When we are down there, it's our fun band.
Yeah, build it there.
Yeah, and the sea is just behind here. Yeah, the river.
Hey, so where they have wells on this land?
Well,
Yeah.
the well was here, but we just broke it. We broke it. Yeah, we don't need it anymore.
Why?
Yeah, because we have water,
Pipe?
we have tap.
Ah.
And the
Okay.
other well is just here,
Yeah.
next to our compound.
I'm definitely coming back to this.
Yeah.
100%. Okay, let's go. Come where we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Monday Market.
Mari, ampun. Kalau dia ampun letak manu. Dah mari manu menyomel ampun. Ah okey. Enak kalau dia ampun. Ampun baru ngai kamera kamera ni ni cek power baru.
Almanakum. Hah?
Dapat dia melangkah kau kurang kurang itu. Kita nak mengaji balik. Ah yes, aku akan drone show, aku akan. From here we move.